Hakuna Matata. How to identify your strength. That's what this video is all about. So bring the intro. Oh wait. I want to wish a happy birthday to a friend. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Frank. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hooray. Hip hip. Hooray. Happy birthday, Frank Herman. Yeah? I wish you the best of the best. Many blessings, love, success, and happiness. Have a good one, Frank. Yeah. Let me come a little bit close, yeah? Maybe that's too close. Thank you for smiling back to me, yeah? Thank you for returning to the channel. And if you're here for the first time, yeah, please do smash the subscribe button because you will help us reach 1,000 subscribers. Finding what makes you unique, will help you maximize opportunity so that you can excel in life and also at work. I guess you must have had thousands of praises, but the one which stuck in your head are the few criticisms. If that's the case, don't worry. Human beings, we are like that. We love to focus on the negative comment more than anything else. You're not alone. Criticism and feedback sometimes hinder the true potential. As our DNA can testify, we are so unique and different from even twins. And this uniqueness can be translated into strength. So what sets you apart is unique to you and only you. So let's get into figuring out how you can identify your strength. Quick question to you. Who know you best apart from you? Your friend? People that are close to you, I guess. So here what I'm asking you to do. Email or text 8 of your friends and family from different parts of your life. Childhood, work, relative, and ask them to describe you in only 3 words. This tool is so powerful, and do not underestimate or feel shy about it. Trust me, when you start the process to send the email or text, you will feel uncomfortable. But do it anyway, and go ahead, right? Their feedback is going to be, fairly positive. But I am advising you not to think too much about the individual responses. Rather look for the common trait that surprised or please you. It will give you an insight of how others see your strength. If you think you need to be pretty good at everything to be successful, let me help you put that notion to bed as quickly as possible. The single most powerful thing is to realize that you don't have to be good at everything. The most successful people in the world are not good at everything. They have just identified one thing they're really great at and excel in it. So do not waste your time to work out on fixing your weakness. The focus is to move away from self-improvement toward uniqueness. Crucially, it's about not giving too much airtime to the stuff we cannot do. Another way to pin down your unique power is going back to your all school report. Ignore the negative must do better comment and pull out the positive quality that may have become buried over time. Things like determination, focus, optimism. These things are in there. They might just need to be digging out. Yeah. Okay, that's my bad. Who you are need to be part of a much bigger plan. Whether entrepreneurs, employees, or just an individual, you must be mindful of presenting a consistent representation of yourself that's position you where you want to be. Think about who you are, why you do what you do, and how you plan to communicate that with friends, colleagues, employees, and the world. All right. Okay. Let me tell you this. If you are impatient, that means you don't procrastinate and are good at getting things done. If you have low self-confidence, it means you are always checking and questioning. If you are bossy, it means you are a natural leader. And if you are a shy person, it means you are cautious and watchful. No bad trait at all. If you like this video, please smash the like button and share it. And above all, help us reach 1,000 subscribers by subscribing if you have not subscribed yet. Hakuna Matata, and God bless you. See you next time.